Hello everyone, let's try to be a cheat code ninja today. In this problem we are given two trees and we have to check if they are the same tree or not. And by the same tree we mean that if we put one tree on top of the other, its structure would be the same and all the elements would be the same. For instance, if we didn't have this node in the second tree, these two trees will have a different structure, so they are not the same. And similarly, if one of the value of a node is different, then in that case too, the trees are not the same. For these trees to be the same, the first condition that has to be satisfied is that the roots of both these trees should be the same. If this condition fails, then the trees are not the same. Once we know that the root value is the same, then we have to check that the left subtrees of both the trees are the same. Similarly, we also have to check that both the right subtrees are the same. We can keep on doing this step recursively using a depth first search, and once these three conditions are satisfied for all the nodes, then the trees are the same. Let's try to think about the base condition for our recursive call. Let's assume that there is no left subtree for node 1 in both the trees. Since the null node occurs at the same point for both these trees, the structure will be the same, hence they will be the same trees. If instead there is a null node on one tree and a non-null node in the other tree, then the structure cannot be maintained, hence these trees will be different. The time complexity of this would be O of n because we have to check all the nodes once, and the space complexity would be the height of the tree because of a recursive call stack. Let's implement the solution. The first condition that we'll check is if both our root nodes are not null. In that case, we'll first check if both our root values are the same. Then we'll have to check if the left subtrees of both these trees are the same. So we'll call this same function recursively on both the left subtrees. And finally, we'll do the same thing for the right subtrees. So we'll call the same recursive function for the right subtrees. And for the case when either of the roots are null, then they will be the same tree if both of them are null. So we'll check that using the not operator. We'll take the AND of these two individual results and return it directly. Let's submit our solution. You can see our solution is accepted. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.